Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to inform you that the Turkiye Bursları Scholarship is now open for the year 2025 application session, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the application dashboard and certain information you need to take note of. Okay, so a couple of months back we had a live session where we brought a recipient of the scholarship to share the application process and all other information we need to know about this particular scholarship, and I think it's a good one. You guys should shoot for it. Okay, and I'm going to attach the link to that live session in this video. All right, and I'm also going to attach the link to this website in this video. Okay, so this is time to apply for the scholarship. It's available for associate, bachelor's, master's, PhD, and research. So the scholarship is open, and I'm going to walk you through the dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard. You also need to understand that apart from the fact that the scholarship provides the opportunity for you to study, a lot of opportunities as well aside just the educational aspect, and it is for international students. Yes, the application date, it's been opened 10th of January and it's going to close 20th of February 2025. So take note of that. The deadline is approaching. And also, what makes it unique, you can go through this process. Then yes, this is also important. It is open to associate, bachelor's, master's, and doctoral levels. Okay, focus in this video is going to be master's and PhD, but if you want to apply for the bachelor's, please go ahead and shoot for that. Okay, so now how to apply. There are 5 steps to take note of when applying. First thing, you have to create your personal account. I'm also going to attach the link to register for your dashboard to create an account to this video. Okay, so create an account. I already did mine. Then you upload all your required documents. I'm going to show you that. You list your dream university, and you're going to write a letter of intent. And yes, you submit your application and you wait for the decision from the application committee. So these are the required documents. First thing, you need your passport. You need a photograph, something recent, not an old one. It must be taken within the last 1 year. Then your results, your transcripts, the certificate, because you're going to upload those files. Okay, so I have that with you now. Then if you've written any of these exams, GRE, GMAT, SAT is for undergrad, and the international language test, they ask for this. TOEFL, Dev. I think we asked them if they accept Duolingo, so I don't think they accept that. So you have to check probably if they accept IELTS. And I would encourage you, make sure you watch that video. It has a lot of information packed in. Then a proposal for a research topic. This is for PhD people. If you're not applying for PhD, you don't have to worry about proposal. Okay, then we also mentioned this in the live session that there are some programs that are being taught in Turkish language, some in English. So if you want to know more about that, I think you can watch the video. But we will just go straight into the application dashboard without wasting time. So this is the dashboard for this, and what the login looks like. You need after registering, you're going to log in. Okay, so I already have an account, so I go ahead and log in. So this is the home page. You have the associate degree, started January 10 and it's going to close 20th of February. Likewise, the bachelor's degree, same date. This is in 2 categories, the undergraduate and the hard scholarship program. Then the master's degree as well, the graduate scholarship program and the hard scholarship program. Then the PhD, the graduate scholarship program. So whichever you're applying for, you just need to click on apply. I already started mine, so I'm just going to go ahead for the master's degree. So make sure you fill the dashboard, all the information before you click on master's or apply. Okay, because you'll not be able to edit after you've clicked on it. Okay, we also have the research. It says January 2nd to 30th of March, and yeah, you can look at the applications conditions. Make sure you do that for each application you're applying for. So these are the cities in Turkey that you can take a look at as well. So now we go to the personal information. You have to upload your passport, you upload your passport, your date of birth, your country, your passport number, and all that. Then you upload a passport document. So that's why you need to have your passport. Then other personal information, okay. Then your family information, putting that in. Those ones are easy, right? Then your contacts. This is your country, your residential address in your home country. I think that is easy to navigate. Now, coming to the education information, I'm gonna put this aside. So coming to the education information, and they're gonna ask you for your this thing. This is just something I think we might be having difficulty with. So this grade type, if your high school uses CGPA, go ahead and put it. But mine uses percentage, 100, like 110 points, all those kind of a thing. So I'm using 10 points. So if it is 100, if it's a scale of 100, like percentage, you do that, then you calculate it. So this is by, like, you take the what you had divided by the total points, multiplied by 100 to give you like the percentage. So you understand? So that is it about high school information, education information. If you have applied for, if you're applying for bachelor's degree, you need your high school and your middle school. If you're applying for master's or a postgraduate degree, you need your bachelor's, high school. You understand? And PhD, you need to have everything. So whichever works for you, make sure you have it. Or in fact, like all your educational information, just put it in there. Now to the language details. Put in your native language, check it out here, go through the native language that they have, okay. Mine is Yoruba. Then other language skills. So let's come to this. If you've written TOEFL, you put it in, okay. TOEFL, IELTS, I think these are just the four that you can put in there. So TOEFL, then if you've scored whatever you've scored, you divide it by 120. If you add 80, you divide it by 120 and you get the decimal point. Then you upload the document. Okay, that is it about the language testing. Then I think they will ask you, do you speak Turkish? No. If yes, write it. So then your work experience. This is also very important. Of course, you're going to attach your academic CV, but they want you to fill in your internship experience here. So add them. You had your internship experience. So the name, the country, the institution or the company name, and the topic and your duration. You get it. So add as much as all the experience you've had. You should add everything. Then we move to academic qualification. If you've written GRE, GMAT, if you've written SAT and ALA, SAT is for undergrad, so you should add it. Okay, so they're gonna ask you for the exam name, the exam date, the grade, and the country and the proving document. So you need to attach a document. So now the next is your social activities. So if you have any award, so far you have the certificate, please add it. Okay, add the award. Same with your voluntary experiences. Okay, like for instance, this they will ask for the name, the institution, and the description. So add as much as you have, as much as voluntary experience you have, you get my point. Then your academic, we've left that. So next is Turkey experience. So are you in Turkey? Have you ever been to Turkey? Are you a member of any Turkey alumni? Are you a member of any Turkey alumni? Do you have like questions like that? Then they're gonna ask you, how did you hear about the scholarship? You understand my point? So you fill this according to what is your own story. Okay, then you go ahead and start the application. So you have to first fill this application dashboard, then you go ahead and click on apply. I hope this video was helpful. Okay guys, I would advise, make sure you watch the video where Scholar Goodness shared his experience about Türkiye Bursları Scholarship and some hints you need to know that can help you boost your application process and other things that you might want to have an idea about what is happening on over there. You get my point. And thank you for watching this video till the end. If you're here to subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let me show you. So guys, please, if you're here to subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this video was helpful, like this video, please drop a comment section, share it with your friends and family, and also tell somebody about this channel. I would appreciate that. Okay guys, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.